Math Module for Lesson 23. I can compare the size of the product to the size of the factors. So all we're doing is comparing, so we're going to be using those equal than, less than, greater than symbols. Make sure everything I do in the video, you do in your workbook. Pause to catch up, rewind to rewatch. Good luck! So we have 2 meters times 97 hundredths. So I need to compare it to 2 meters. So 2 times 97 hundredths, well, 97 hundredths is less than 1. So 2 times something less than 1 means it's going to be less than 2. So the 2 meters on the right is going to be larger than my product on the left. And this problem has 2 meters times 101 hundredths. So I know that 2 meters times 101 hundredths, and then I'm comparing it to my 2 meters. Well, I know 101 hundredths is greater than 1. So it's plus 1. So 2 times something that's greater, let's do a arrow 1. 2 times a number greater than 1 means my number is going to be more than 2. So I know that 2 times 101 hundredths is greater than 2 meters. Make sure you showed your work. So now we have 2 meters times 100 hundredths. So 2 meters times 100 hundredths, comparing it to 2 meters. Well, so I really have 2 times 100 hundredths is 1, because my numerator matches my denominator. So 2 times 1 is 2, so I know these are equal to each other. Make sure you showed your work. So now we have decimals. So I have 19 and 4 tenths times 0 and 96 hundredths, comparing it to 19 and 4 tenths. Well, I noticed that 96 hundredths is less than 1. So 19 and 4 tenths times something less than 1 is going to be less than 19 and 4 tenths. It's going to be smaller. So I know my left product is going to be smaller than 19 and 4 tenths. 19 and 4 tenths, again, times 0 and 0 2 hundredths, also known as just 2 hundredths. I'm comparing it to 19 and 4 tenths. Well, 2 hundredths is less than 1. A lot less than 1 if you want my real answer. So 19 and 4 tenths times less than 1 means I'm going to have a number smaller than 19 and 4 tenths. So my left product is going to be smaller than 19 and 4 tenths. 1 and 2 hundredths times 1 and 73 hundredths. Well, I'm going to compare it to 1 and 73 hundredths because that's the larger number in my product. So 1 and 2 hundredths is greater than 1. That's what I'm thinking. So something greater than 1 times the same number on both sides means my answer to my product is going to be larger. So I'm going to put a greater than symbol. 29 and 1 hundredth times 1 and 73 hundredths. We're going to compare that to the same number we did to the other side, or to the previous problem, sorry. So 1 and 73 hundredths. So I have 1 and 73 hundredths the same, so I'm going to look at the 29 and 1 hundredth. Well, that is definitely larger than 1. So that's my thinking. So anything larger than 1 times the same number on both sides is going to be a larger number. So my product on the left is greater than 1 and 73 hundredths.